here for lunch, a short distance from the other place. Now the sun's out, but you can still see fog all around us here. But we're going to have lunch in a few minutes, and we have some time to explore by ourselves. So we're looking around here, and this is the view. Still see the fog laying out there in the distance. And a bunch of growlers, lots of growlers out there. So this is it, okay. This is the place where we're going to have lunch. And you can see the growlers all in back of me. Lunch is going to be right in back of us up there. The other side, the fog is rolling in because we landed like right over there. And there's water on this side too here. So lunch is on its way. Get a nice hot cup of tea and everything should be okay. So, and we'll see if we can do our hike because we can't hike in the fog. And it looks like it's rolling back in toward this way. But we'll see. Okay, Ed Getley signing off. Bye-bye. Way up here, we just hiked up to the top of the hill. They said the mayor that we met yesterday, cigarette butt there. Somebody been smoking. Anyhow, looks like I don't know, wood or whatever. Prefab. They got ropes to hold it on here so it doesn't blow away. And oh, I got a stack of rocks here. And here. See if we can see inside.
You sure can. Fire pit, kettle.
Oh, look at this. Very nice. Looks like about 1 million dead flies in there, but that's the granite countertop, yeah. Not many sleeping quarters, just benches to sleep on, I guess.
Isn't this amazing? Just look inside.
Yeah, 1 million dead flies, but...
Oh. Yeah, right? Yeah, right?
And we got a pile of stones here. Here it is. Pile of stones, a couple benches made out of extra pieces of wood here.
Oh.
There's a pile of wood. Here's this little teeny tiny cabin.
Up here, we could all kind of have the same perspective.
And here's
They're straight in front of me.
Yeah.
Before the first biggest iceberg.
Yep.
some seals out there too.
Now there's just
A little
ripples
hard
in the
to
water.
see. They're very tiny, like
They've gone down. We'll see
right
if
out here. Some seals, they
at
said.
least 2 faces.
Yeah, I see them out there, but too small for the GoPro. I don't have my other camera with me. There's the stack of rocks. And a little cabin way up here in the middle of nowhere that I guess you can rent from the mayor and tin it. But had to haul all this stuff up to the top of this hill and by boat and whatever. And it looks like it could have been a kit house, but very nice inside, very small. No real sleeping quarters. There's some benches in there you could sleep on over the floor. There's a little stove in there. And that's all you really need. Just to stay up here. It's weighted down. Get some high winds up here and beautiful stack of rocks here. Stack of rocks is always interesting. Okay. This is the view that you have. If you turn around, it's all foggy now. You can't see anything. But if it wasn't foggy, you'd see hundreds of growlers out there, which are chunks of ice. But we're fogged in now, so can't see it. Yeah, we're coming back down from the hill. Shadow Man is walking down the hill here. Shadow Man. And it's all rocky here. Very rocky. Everything's rocky here. It's all rocks. Yeah, I gotta watch my step here. There's where we're going down there. There we go. Fog lifted a little bit back there. Not much, but a little bit. This is where we climbed up. It's a little hard to see, but way down there at the water line, like way down there is where we started out in that area. And you can't see it here, but this was a steep climb up here. And up here, hopefully we're not climbing anymore, because I had to take almost all my layers off on the way up because it's getting hot. And then my backpack got super heavy, so it's like pulling me backwards. But the kids somehow managed to survive here in the wilderness. Absolutely nice out here. You just hear the rest of our group, but other than that, total silence. You might hear a growler or a piece of an iceberg breaking off or flipping over in the distance. Fog is kind of lifted a little bit. And here's the rest of the group up there. You're in the back, and of course, yours truly is right here. And I'll come around so the sun's in my face so you can see it a little bit better. But there it is. We made it up here, and we're up here in all kinds of space. Beautiful fresh air up here. Nobody around. It's like a sea of ice out there. Little chunks of ice in the background, in back of me here. So there you go, Ed Getley, East Greenland, out in the wilderness. See you later. Bye bye.
A NatHab backpack photo.
Oh. Oh, yep. Nobody moved.
Good. I see like so many NatHab backpacks.
But you know what I mean? It has that feeling like we could have arrived
Which is proof of how many
5,000
people
years
have
ago.
taken several other trips.
Yes,
Or
yes.
10,000.